Welcome to Madclash, where motorcycle crashes aren't just accidents, they're full throttle mayhem. Grip it, rip it, and ride through the chaos. The motorcycle crashed because the motorcyclist didn't proactively slow down. I'm glad he's okay. Oh my God, I don't understand why the man driving the black car stopped so carelessly in the middle of the road. Luckily, no collision occurred. The motorcyclist was traveling at high speed when a tractor trailer appeared in front of him crossing the road. After the close calls, he was still frightened.
Ебать, это пизда, пацаны. Это пизда, нахуй.
Definitely getting me. I don't even know.
The motorcyclist witnessed the supercar crash at an intersection. The front of the car was completely wrecked. The airbags had deployed, but luckily no one was injured.
What do we do? What do you need?
I'm good.
This is total as a McLaren will get.
Hadi düşüyorum abi. Hadi düşüyorum abi.
Chances of getting hit by a flying fridge in a highway is low, but never zero. Police chased the fleeing vehicle, but unfortunately crashed at an intersection when the police car lost control due to excessive speed. Unlike the motorcyclist dressed as Santa Claus in the previous episode, this motorcyclist is busy taking photos with two children. He's a friendly motorcyclist. I appreciate you. Almost drove off without all the goods. The motorcyclist had to run them down to remind and help the driver move the goods.
You left your stuff back there. Your trunk's open and you left your stuff back there.
Ouch. Thank you.
They got it. They're fine.
Thank you, honey.
They're good.
Sit right up here tonight.
Adam?
They're down. That's what I recommend you guys. Thank you all.
Oh yeah, glad we can help out. Yeah, no
I'm ready to
problem.
go because guess what? It's a $200 thing. I just got it.
Oh yeah, like that.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Oh, no problem. Have a great rest of your day, man.
The car in front braked suddenly, startling the motorcyclist and causing a crash. Please maintain a safe distance, as situations like this can happen on the road. The entire group of bikers was cut off by a white truck that swerved into their lane, causing all three to end up on the side of the road. I'm glad they're all okay. Before the motorcyclist could even turn on his GoPro camera, he swerved past the other driver at the red light, which was enough to anger the other driver.
No, I didn't! No, I don't!
We're out of time, man!
Shut the f up and just keep on driving, pussy!
We're out of time, man!
Get the f out of here! Get the f out of here! You f***ing pussy!
God damn it. Yeah, I think so. Right on my fucking bad shoulder.
What's up? I thought you were giving me space. I thought you were being cool because everybody was going slow. I thought you were cool, but you're a dick.
Slow down and observe carefully at the intersection.
Oh, I saved it!
The rider with the GoPro was breathing a sigh of relief at having just escaped a crash, but another rider in the group wasn't so lucky. The angry outburst of that driver caused a series of crashes on the highway in California. Always stay calm on the road.
We're good. We're good.
This motorcyclist filmed the car collision when the brown truck in front suddenly stopped. The motorcyclist quickly came to help the calm driver and called for roadside assistance.
You okay? Okay. You all right? Hey, I noticed back there you didn't. Hey, are you okay?
Just, oh my baby.
Okay. Can you try to pull forward over here for me out of the road? You're okay. Just go slow here. Okay. Just don't hit the gas. Just let it go by itself. Okay, and then turn over into this lot. You're fine. Just turn right here and stop. You're fine. It's just your bumper. Okay. It's just your tire on your bumper. Perfect. Throw it in park. You're okay. Turn it off. Okay, we're gonna call the cops and we're gonna get them on the way. Okay. Yes, just a rear-ending accident. It doesn't seem like anybody's been hurt, but there's two vehicles off the side of the road right in front of Homax. Yeah, I was just coming to talk to you guys. I got it on video. They said they'd call if they need anything, so.
Okay. Are you busy? Like, that's more of a cop thing, so.
Would you guys like me to stay, or?
Until the cops get here and see what they want.
Sure.
Yeah,
Okay.
great.
Perfect. Yep. Yeah.
The motorcyclist took the turn too wide, nearly colliding with a car in the opposite lane. Luckily, he only sustained minor injuries after veering off the road.
What are you doing?
Perhaps the motorcyclist was angry because the car driver didn't respond, which is why he acted that way.
Huh?
You're not supposed to have a vehicle like that in this park.
I can have whatever the one I want.
You not
Hello? Can you not read? I'm a bicycle. I've had stupid bitches like you jump in front of me all fucking day. Every time, left, right, and
Watch your
center.
language.
I don't give a your old bad luck.
Shit.
You.
The motorcyclist's visibility was obstructed, leading to the crash. Fortunately, the protective gear helped him avoid serious injury.
Watch your mirrors, brother. Watch your mirrors. Be careful, bro. You almost hit me. I know. I'm sorry. Be careful. Take care of that.
The motorcyclist is trying to escape from the police. Such actions are not encouraged.
I don't think you're allowed on the road.
What's that?
Allowed on the road.
I'm trying to go home.
You're not supposed to be on the road.
How am I supposed to go home now?
Karen was angry on the road. Watch how the motorcyclist handled the situation.
Okay.
You're not supposed to be on the road.
Okay.
I don't understand why your parents even buy you a motorcycle.
You can talk to my parents.
Who are your parents?
Why do you want to know?
To be here, letting you ride on the road. Are they from another country?
Yeah.
Yeah? Because you don't go to North Rocky school system?
Nope.
No? Your face will be all over social media.
Okay.
I think that you probably have a social media account.
Okay.
I think your parents probably have one. I think that
The motorcyclist narrowly escaped a spectacular crash when the motorbike's handlebars shook uncontrollably. If you encounter this situation, stay calm and avoid braking suddenly. Every situation on the road has a story, not just mistakes, but karma, reminding us of the fragility of life. If this resonates with you, please like, subscribe, and follow me for the next video, where the lessons will go even deeper.